How can you transfer voice memos from the iPad to a computer? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. There are actually more ways how you're going to do this. If your computer is a Mac computer and you use the same Apple ID, you can go to the settings app of your iPad, tap on your name at the top, go to iCloud and find the voice memos app. And you just want to make sure that it is turned on, then it gets synced to the iCloud and it will be synced to your computer as well. So that would be the easiest way to do it. Outside of that, there are obviously more ways how you can get the voice memos from the iPad. Like when you get inside of the app, you can tap on the individual ones, tap on share, and there are going to be so many different methods of sharing available to you. So you can, for example, use AirDrop, that's again for Apple devices, or you can share it to a drive, a Google Drive, or a cloud storage like OneDrive or Dropbox, or even use these other apps available in here. But if you ask me, I still believe that the best way is to simply tap on the folder icon, to click on the share, and of course, save it to the Files app, which just means that you get the recording from the voice recorder app, you save it to the Files app, and then you can connect some sort of device like a USB, SSD drive, or something else that you connect to your iPad as a external storage. You copy and paste it there. When you, of course, do this, you will disconnect it from the iPad, connect the drive to a computer, and then move the files there as usual. So these are the options which you have. Most definitely let me know about that, about whether or not you made it work on your device. For more tutorials and guides like this one, stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.